Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Volkswagen Polo Comfortline hatch, stock reference number 3879. The shape runs from the 9th month to 2017 and is the current shape. It has a DKJA 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. DKJA 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol turbo engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right front as well as the front. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Left tailgate. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror with the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.